Pwede, nagawin kita kayo.
Pwede lahat na kami ngayon.
Sulat mo ako dyan.
Wala pa nga? Wala pa ba? Wala, okay lang na. Hindi ka ba? Timing namin. Late na. Ay, bukas pa. Kanina pa.
Vengeance is not all. Spare me a few friends. For me, Bertie, I'm a child so young to think into wrong and good. Why are you staring at me? May I second at me? But I know that you're staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes. 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the vast happiness mother and I shared with each other. We were very happy being there. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard at the door, and a deep silence were ensued. Did the woman even cover our Mother ran to the side, father's side, said, "Please, Louis, hide in the cellar. There in the cellar where they cannot find you." I put my father's arms, but he did not move. Even though his fingers were on the floor. Suddenly, the door went bang, and before us, 5 teenagers came bargaining. "Are you helping me?" Rolled down the way of them all. "Yes," said my father. "You are under arrest," said one of the thieves.
Klase lang. Okay, quiet!
They pulled father roughly away from us. Father was not even a chance to make us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty.
Pati tumatawa sa akin.
We saw a group of Japanese people. Oh, how our mouths watered, seeing the delicious food we were eating. Then suddenly, we heard a voice call, "Consuelo, Oscar! Consuelo, Oscar! Consuelo, Oscar!" We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw father hanging on the tree, dead. Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. And I cried, "Vengeance, vengeance, vengeance." Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. It was a sign for us to find a shelter in our hideout. But I cannot leave my poor invalid mother. I took her the way to the hideout. But suddenly, the bombs started falling. Airplanes were rolling overhead. Cannons were firing from everywhere. Boom! Boom! Mother was asleep. Her legs were shattered into pieces. Oh, God, said Mother. But I cried out vengeance. I was like a pent-up volcano. Vengeance is mine, not the Lord. Vengeance is mine, not the Lord. No, Oscar. Vengeance is ours, not ours, God. These were the words from my mother before she died. Mother was dead and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours, to forgive is divine, but vengeance is bitter. These were, this was 5 years ago.
Ay.
5 years.
Ay.
Um, Share me a